Hello guys and namaste. My name is Ashish Rai. I am your host and you are my host and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, आज वीडियो इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है गाइस क्योंकि हमारा साथ एक ब्रिलियंट गेस्ट है जिसका नाम है सारंश प्रधान एंड वो अपना मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन वो खुद देगा, ठीक है। लेकिन वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोग को बोलता हूँ कि ही इज़ Compiat Network Plus certified and I hope you will watch this video. So सारंश,
Yeah.
आप अपना बारे में थोड़ा बताओ।
Well, first off, thank you for having me, Asisda. Really glad to be part of this podcast. So, my name is Saransh Pradhan. I come from a non-technical background. I actually studied psychology, but I've always been curious about how things work behind the scenes, especially in tech. So, my journey into networking and IT really began during the lockdowns when I started watching videos and exploring basic troubleshooting at home. That curiosity grew into something serious when I realized how important and powerful networking is. Everything from your internet connection to how a company runs internally depends on it. Eventually, I decided to go all in. So I pursued a diploma in networking from ISOEH. You are also the student of the same institute. And from there, I earned my CompTIA Network Plus certification. That certification was a big step for me because it gave me both the confidence and the fundamentals to understand how networks operate, from IP addressing and subnetting to wireless security and basic firewall configuration.
Okay, it means that you are from non-technical background, right?
Yes, I'm from arts. I have a bachelor's degree in humanities.
Okay. Actually, in IT company, we all know that we have to take a BTech, BSc, a BCA,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
So that's the thing I want to add because I started my IT journey very late. So when I was 23, I enrolled in the diploma course when I was 23. So I started really late, and before that, I was a freelance musician. Right, I used to
okay,
earn money by playing music, and you know, when I thought that okay, this music line is not really sufficient for me, money wise, so then wanted to transition into IT later on. So yeah,
okay,
it is really tough when you don't have bachelors in these fields
okay.
because we arts people we get looked down a lot.
Yeah,
I feel like
actually, you can feel the same pain, right?
yeah, yeah.
So basically, I will talk in हिंदी because आपको पता है कि ज़्यादातर जो रिमोट एरिया है, राइट, वहाँ पर उतना इंग्लिश नहीं बोलते, राइट। सो मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये पॉडकास्ट हर कोई समझे, ठीक है।
Okay.
सो बेसिकली आप साइबर सिक्योरिटी क्यों चूज़ किए, मतलब कि होता है ना एक आपके अंदर क्या वो पैशन था और आपने वो चूज़ किया।
Um, okay, I'll mix English and Hindi. All
ओके
right,
ओके
my Hindi is not that
ओके
good.
ओके ओके।
So हुआ क्या कि my मामा जो मेरा अपने मामा है, he's a security operations engineer. He's also an ethical
ओके
hacker. तो वो जब भी मुझे विजिट करते थे, so he used to tell me things like Saransh, what do you want to do? Like life में कुछ करो, right? And basically he was like my what do you call it? Inspiration or idol. Okay, so my mama is doing it, so I got curious ki hey kya cheez. And also money was a motivating factor because he told me that money is really good, and I was in that point of life where I really wanted to be financially stable, right? So passion se zyada, it was just curiosity at first because the most technical thing I did on a computer was download movies, and listen to songs. That's the most technical thing I did. So out of curiosity, I wanted to join ISOEH to learn cybersecurity. But when I went to जब मैं गया admission करने के लिए, so they told me कि you are not eligible for the
ओके
cybersecurity course क्योंकि तुम arts background से हो. So you need to enroll into networking first. So उसके बाद मैंने डिप्लोमा किया नेटवर्किंग में. I started learning networking, Linux, hardwares and stuff. Or yeah, that's what brings me here today.
ओके। सो तुमने पहले ज्वाइन किया एकेडमी, राइट?
Yes.
ISOEH। एक्चुअली मैंने भी
Yes.
सेम किया है, मैंने भी वहाँ से
Mhm.
किया है एडवांस डिप्लोमा इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी। सो तुमने
Mhm.
वहाँ पर कौन सा कोर्स लाइक इनरोल किया, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड?
Diploma in networking. So diploma in networking May, the first course was CCNA.
CCNA,
Okay, it
ओके।
wasn't advertised like networking.
ओके।
Okay, so I want to address this. They told me CCNA. So I come from a non-technical background. It was really hard for me to understand what the hell CCNA is, right?
ओके।
Cisco Certified Network Administrator. That was the name of the first course, yeah, in the whole diploma course. It's the first subject that they taught me, but they didn't advertise it as networking. So I was really confused the first few days, like, what am I studying? Right? So uske baad, then came Python. Python was like brain damaging. Coding kabhi nahi kiya. So it was, first 5 to 6 months really tough था because I'm from non-technical background. But उसके बाद जब मैंने CompTIA Network Plus जो certification है उसके I started studying for that certification. Then जो concepts of all the networking, even security and troubleshooting, जो IT का सब concepts है, started getting clearer because वो जो mock exams होता है, I started doing mock exams and all that. So all of these helped really. Uh, वो foundation जो होता है, it really did really good for me, this certification.
ओके, इट मीन्स डैट कि तुमने हार्ड वर्क तो बहुत किया है, क्योंकि फ्रॉम नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड एंड गोइंग टू टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड इज मोर डिफिकल्ट, राइट?
Very difficult क्योंकि in CCNA course, okay, they told me domain name server,
ओके।
ठीक है, they explained me what it is, but झटके में तो मतलब you cannot understand it ना. Then उसके बाद फिर Cisco Packet Tracer में जाके you show me configurations that I've never seen before. It looks like we're alien languages, right? So starting में बहुत
इंटरेस्टिंग।
difficulty हुआ, yeah, starting में बहुत difficulty हुआ, but again I'm telling you that जब मैंने start किया, like properly Network Plus Global Certification के लिए preparation करना, that was the time when I finally started understanding all the concepts. उसके बाद command line, it wasn't so alien to me, उसके बाद I started understanding.
ओके, सो बेसिकली अभी तो तुम लाइक लाइफ में अच्छे कर रहे हो, राइट? एंड आई होप, क्योंकि ऐसा होता है कि लाइक नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से आके टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड में अगर आप जा रहे हो तो आप लोग को बहुत कुछ फेस करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो
Mhm.
मेरा हिसाब से तुमने लाइक इंटर्नशिप किया, या होता है ना कि अभी भी ढूंढ रहे हो इंटर्नशिप के लिए?
No, I never did internship. Abhi filhal,
ओके।
I not work, but I volunteer for a local ISP. तो मेरा जो area का local ISP है, I volunteer as a technical support engineer, right? और उसमें I do like technical support things, like resolving DNS issues and checking the Ethernet cables and all of that, configuring routers sometimes,
ओके,
and
सो
monitoring networks.
सो बेसिकली तुम्हारा ओपिनियन में, लाइक इन योर ओपिनियन, क्या मतलब एक नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड बंदा टेक्निकल
Mhm.
बैकग्राउंड में जब जाता है तो लाइक आप क्या उसको लाइक गाइड करोगे कि जाओ या मत जाओ बोल के?
Okay. So obviously go. Obviously go. Jao, obviously, because okay, so when starting, there are so much information, Ashish da, like so many YouTube channels telling us do this, do that, do this, do that. Ani, when newcomers, जब कोई new आता है, so it gets really confusing कि है क्या चीज, right? So many subjects, or each subject के अंदर so many concepts that a newcomer gets overwhelmed, right? So I would say go, obviously go, but do your research well, like research करो, right? And what is your age factor? If you're just 18, 19, don't just enroll into an institute course. Do your bachelor's also. BCA कर लो, technical bachelor's कर लो. And the most important thing is fundamentals. Don't think that okay, I will enroll in a course and I will learn hacking in 6 months. It doesn't work like that. तुम्हारा fundamentals कैसा है? Your hardware, right? तुमको पता what is a RAM, what is a CPU, networking concept, IP address क्या है, how many classes are there, do you know how to subnet, right?
Okay.
And Linux, do you know your Linux commands, can you troubleshoot Linux systems? So we have to consider all these things and how good can, even if you cannot code in high level, can you at least understand the syntaxes, right? वो सब समझ, like understanding all these basic concepts is really important when you go into cybersecurity from my point of view. क्योंकि मैंने जब घर में when I was learning like courses जब किया ethical hacking का, I didn't understand anything because I didn't know what IP address is, what a DNS is, what a DSCP does, what are ports, what are protocols. I didn't know anything. So if you're trying to go into cybersecurity, just make sure कि ये basics, fundamentals, basics start from hardware. What is a RAM? What is a hard disk? So what is an operating systems? How many type of operating systems are there? What are bytes and bits? So learn all this and उसके बाद level up skills, learn many operating systems, learn coding languages, learn what is a firewall, learn how to configure even a basic firewall rules. उसके बाद जब when you transition into cybersecurity, you will have a very good foundation. So yeah,
Okay.
that's all I have to say.
Good answer. I appreciate. So basically, it is possible to from if you are in if you take arts in 10 and 10 in class and 12 class, and it is possible to take even BCA, right? If you are from arts background in 10 or 12.
PCS.
Okay. And BCA is completely tech. I think tech degree, right? BCA.
BCA coding programming.
Okay.
Programming degree. Masters in Computer Application.
Okay. So basically सारंश मुझे आपका जो पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी देख के
Security.
ओके सो बस आप मुझे 2 लाइनें बोल दो, ठीक है? आपका ड्रीम जॉब रोल क्या होगा
Dream job role. अभी या फ्यूचर में?
फ्यूचर में?
फ्यूचर में will be cloud security engineer.
ओके, रियली
That would be
अप्रिशिएट.
great. That would be great. Okay, Asisda,
Yeah.
I'll ask you. Let me ask you.
Okay.
What are your goals in next 2 years, or what is your dream role in next 2 years? I want to ask you.
Actually, you know that I'm in red team, right? I'm in red team. So there are many job role like pen tester, red team engineer, and security engineer, right? So basically my dream job role is security engineer. Let's see what happened.
Okay. That's great. Achha. And I also heard that you're doing postgrad in information security, right?
Yeah, and you know that coming from non-technical background and going into technical background, right? There is no value, right? अगर आप नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हो देन आपका वैल्यू नहीं है, कसम से बोल रहा हूँ,
No.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
सो टेक आई थिंक मेरा हिसाब से टेक डिग्री या टेक कुछ तो करना ही पड़ेगा, राइट? सो
Yes.
मैं करूँगा, पीजी करूँगा, पोस्ट डिप्लोमा इन इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी, पर
Yeah.
देखते हैं क्या होगा. लेकिन हाँ, ये बात फैक्ट है कि हम लोग ने 10, 12 और इवन बैचलर किया आर्ट्स में, राइट? सो इट इज मोर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
Very
लेकिन हाँ,
complicated.
यस. तो आप क्या, सो फॉर एग्जांपल आप भी नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हो, सो तुम्हारा
Yes.
कुछ होगा फ्यूचर प्लान कि हाँ मैं भी कुछ परस्यू करूँगा टेक डिग्री?
So मैंने सोचा था कि I'll do Master of Science in Information Security
ओके.
open from this IGNO,
Okay.
but no, I do not have that kind of time. I cannot invest that much time,
ओके.
right? Or उसके projects होता है. I need to start working, right? So 2 साल में you have to go here and there, exam देने के लिए यहाँ जाओ, center इधर project submit करो, assignments, you have to go to practical counseling in IGNO का. So I'm also thinking about doing postgrad degree in information security as well. क्योंकि
Okay.
1 year yes, 1 year is at least manageable, right? और कुछ नहीं होने से अच्छा तो let me get post grad degree and let me stack a bunch of certification and projects and experience to make up for like non-tech background. Oh yeah.
Okay, okay.
Do you
Means
think, Ashish, that do you think that in future like there मतलब hurdle कम होगा जो non-technical background में जो non-technical background से आ रहे हैं
okay,
फ्यूचर में उन लोग को इस तरह का हर्डल फेस करना पड़ेगा या नहीं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
okay. So बेसिकली मुझे क्या लगता है, ठीक है, मैं ये चीज़ हर कोई को बोलना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है, जो कंपनी में काम कर रहा है यार, ऐसा कंपनी का सीईओ है, ठीक है, आप लोग अगर स्किल्स और एक्सपीरियंस चाहते हो तो नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड को भी लो भाई यार, क्योंकि अभी का टाइम में लाइक डिग्री उतना वैल्यू नहीं है, आप लोग का एक्सपीरियंस और स्किल्स ज़्यादा मैटर करता है, राइट? सो मेरा ओपिनियन से इफ़ यू हैव दैट पर्टिकुलर स्किल्स, एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है, तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो। एंड मैं यही बोलूँगा कंपनी का सीईओ जो पर्टिकुलर होता है ना, सीईओ। सो अगर आप लोग एक बंदा को हायर कर रहे हो एंड ही इज़ फ्रॉम नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड और सी इज़ फ्रॉम नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, तो प्लीज़ वो लोग को जज मत करो, उसका पर्टिकुलर स्किल्स एक्सपीरियंस देखो, उसके बाद वो लोग को सेलेक्ट करो, राइट? क्योंकि
यस।
देखो कोई बीटेक करके भी वो लोग को कोडिंग नहीं आता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल।
नहीं ब्रदर, आई हैव सीन पीपल, मैंने देखा है जो लोग बैचलर साइबर सिक्योरिटी में करते हैं,
यस,
लाइक बीटेक इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी,
यस,
बीसीए इन साइबर सिक्योरिटी, दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू राइट अ सिंपल प्रोग्राम, they do not know how to run a loop while loops. I'm not bashing them,
ओके,
but आपका जो point था I'm just backing it, मतलब आपका point सही है, so
ओके।
please go on. I was just
सो
backing it.
जो लाइक टैग डिग्री अभी परस्यू कर रहा है, लाइक बीटेक, बीएससी, बीसीए, वो लोग को लाइक एक सिंगल कोड मतलब लिखना नहीं आता है, राइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। एंड अभी मुझे देखो, मैं नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, ठीक है, मुझे आता है, क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे पास वो स्किल्स है, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस है, राइट? तो यही चाहता हूँ कि लाइक वो बैरियर ब्रेक कर दो भाई, जो बैरियर अभी है कि हाँ आईटी कंपनी में सिर्फ जाता है जो परस्यू करता है बीटेक, बीएससी, नहीं, ये बैरियर अगर ख़त्म हो गया ना भाई, तो स्किल्स का कमी नहीं होगा इंडिया में,
नहीं होगा।
स्किल्स और एक्सपीरियंस का कमी नहीं होगा। अभी कंपनी कंपनी लॉस में जा रहा है, पता है क्यों? क्योंकि दे आर हायरिंग रॉन्ग पर्सन, राइट? सो मैं यही चाहता हूँ कि ये बैरियर ख़त्म हो।
Yes, I agree with you, yes, 100% agree.
लाइक ये आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, ठीक है? सो
Okay.
आपका जो पर्टिकुलर लाइक स्टोरी देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि आपने वो फेस किया है जो मैंने फेस किया है, राइट? एंड यू नो दैट लाइक आई एम लाइक सिक्योरिटी रिसर्चर, बग बाउंटी हंटर, आई हैव सिक्योर्ड मैनी
Yes, I know.
एमएनसी, राइट?
आप मेरे टीम लीडर थे इन साइबर, नो? I learned many things from you.
ओके, ओके। सो बेसिकली लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये होगा कि लाइक आपको क्या लगता है कि आने वाला फ्यूचर में, ठीक है, आने वाला फ्यूचर में ये क्या बैरियर हट सकता है? जो पर्टिकुलर नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड, टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड है, ये जो पर्टिकुलर बैरियर है वो क्या हट सकता है, या जैसा कि तैसा होगा ये बैरियर?
Um, this is a tough question because honestly, I'm being honest, I do not
आपको
know.
ओपिनियन बताओ, आपको ओपिनियन बताओ, जो आपका मन में है वही बताओ, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा।
Look, I think future में like the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, right? In future, it will be more than what we see right now.
ओके,
Uska influence, right? And I think more people will be into technology. क्योंकि supply and demand ना, when technology is on rise, there will be more demand for people, and more people will want to get into technology. So okay, so दो डिपार्टमेंट है टेक्नोलॉजी में, alright? One is computer science department, right? And one is IT department. Computer science department में you have all your software developers, software engineers and all that. IT department में you have people like us, right? Who doesn't really need to have a technical background, like IT में networking, cloud, even cybersecurity comes into IT. So IT field के लोग के लिए I think it will be much easier to get into the field because of certification. Like आप देखिए cloud certifications बहुत डिमांड में है. If you get like 2 or 3 cloud certifications, उसके बाद networking का certifications ले लो. I think that will do the job even if you don't have technical background, क्योंकि that will show that you are dedicated. These are not easy certification. Whereas computer science department में आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि I have global certification in Python. Now I am a software engineer. Right? You have to do a technical degree for computer science. So I think computer science जो department है, it will be the same in future. You have to get a degree, otherwise there's no chance that you will be a machine learning engineer. Like उसमें degree चाहिए. But in IT field, no matter your technical background, I think you can get into because we have certifications.
Okay.
उसका ये मतलब डिग्री का इक्विवेलेंट यू हैव सर्टिफिकेशन. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक.
सो बेसिकली सारांश के हम लोग क्या कंपेयर कर सकते हैं डिग्री एंड सर्टिफिकेशन? क्या डिग्री से ज़्यादा वैल्यू सर्टिफिकेशन का है इन आईटी?
Okay, these are two different things. Okay, let me tell you brother, these are two different things. आपका जो डिग्री है, you invest 4 years of your life on it.
Okay.
That's 4 years of your life, and वहाँ पे like so many activities in degrees, right? So many projects, so many assignments you have to do by yourself. Or actually, just to think, Indian companies क्यों value देती है डिग्री को? It shows your dedication that you can complete something, right? So, but certification is a different thing. Certificate, degree में तो खिचड़ी. Study this, like so many different things.
Yes.
Whereas certification में you expert, like you target one thing. Like networking में you only study networking certification में.
Okay.
Right? In ethical hacking you only study ethical hacking. And in cloud you only study cloud. So एक प्रकार से it is focused. That's why it is different from computer science.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So I think we cannot compare two, but they complement each other. अगर आपके पास एक तो टेक्निकल डिग्री है and you have also global certifications, like okay, आपको DevOps बनना है, you have BTech, आप BTech के साथ Red Hat कर लो, Red Hat certifications, right? आप एक तो कोई cloud certification कर लो, like AWS, good, very good. It's rare that you will get rejected. You have BTech and plus global certifications like Red Hat.
Okay.
And AWS, Amazon, bro, you are good. Yeah? So these are two different things. I think they complement each other. We cannot really compare, I guess. But yes, having a global certification really shows your dedication as well. That's what I think.
Okay.
अगर non-technical background हो, like if someone is non-technical background, don't even think about it. मत पूछो किसी से, just do a certification, global certification. It shows people that you are dedicated, and not only shows आप course versus global certification पढ़ने में, I think global certification makes you more knowledgeable. Like जो concepts है ना, global certification से घुस जाते हैं अंदर. So that's what I think.
सो बेसिकली सारांश आपका जो पर्टिकुलर लाइक एग्ज़ाम था, वो ग्लोबल एग्ज़ाम था, वो मतलब क्या थ्योरी बेस्ड था या प्रैक्टिकल बेस्ड था?
Both. It was both performance based and theory. Okay. Now I cannot say कि एग्जाम में क्या आया क्या हुआ नहीं. Okay. Because that's confidential. मेरा वो क्या सर्टिफिकेशन रिवोक कर देगा फिर if they find out.
Okay.
But all I say is this. एग्जाम करने बैठा मैं रात को 12:45 में एग्जाम स्केड्यूल था at home, alright, Pearson venue से. So imagine आशीष भैया एग्जाम में इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस था. आप you go into a room, right? They will give you 50 computers, each with different configuration, and they tell you to go into each computer and find out what's wrong with the configuration.
Okay.
And then troubleshoot it and make it work again, right? There were almost 30 to 40% questions were performance based like this. मैंने सोचा था MCQ आएगा, okay, I'm good. Then I went into the exam, questions were so complex.
Tricky, right?
Yeah, I was shaking. और जो Pearson venue में एग्जाम होता है CompTIA का mostly, you cannot read the questions aloud. मतलब चुप बैठना है एकदम, पढ़ना नहीं है questions. If you move like from here to here, they will cancel the exam. It's very hard. The exam is very hard. I think staying still like this and not speaking is harder than the exam itself. It's very strict. Pearson Bailey में बहुत strict होता है exam. No
Okay.
chance of cheating. Room should be empty and all that.
It means that कि क्वेश्चन tricky था, right?
Very tricky. Even MCQs, like I was thinking, what are they trying to ask? क्योंकि एक तो question, every question ऐसा ही था. Question पूछ लिया. They'll give you 4 answers to choose from. All 4 are correct answers, but one is more correct than the other 3. इस type of questions था.
ओके, सो बेसिकली आपका जो पर्टिकुलर बात सुन के लग रहा है कि हाँ चलो कोई बात नहीं, एग्ज़ाम तो हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया, ठीक है, एंड पास भी हो गया, सो
हाँ.
फॉर दैट कॉन्ग्रेस, ठीक है.
Thank you. Let me show you.
थैंक यू.
Okay.
ओके ओके ओके.
Okay. So this is my
ओ
certification.
यार
Can you see?
ऑसम, यार ऑसम,
Yeah.
ऑसम ऑसम, लिटरली ब्रो, अप्रिशिएट ब्रो,
Thank you.
अप्रिशिएट.
Thank you very much.
ओके ओके. सो सारंस, आपको लाइक नर्वस तो नहीं हो रहा है ना, मतलब अच्छा ना, पॉडकास्ट में आके अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
Oh yes. I'm feeling. मैं पहले nervous हो रहा था कि यार man, what the hell will I speak? But after speaking with you, I feel like I'm speaking like normally with a friend.
Okay.
अच्छा लगा कि. Thank you for having me very much. The opportunity.
थैंक यू सो मच सारन, थैंक यू सो मच सारन, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes.
ठीक है, ओके.
And let me tell you all the viewers that Ashish Da is inspiration to all my batch. Like मेरे batch में जो थे, like all my friends, Ashish Da has been an inspiration for us. All right, he has guided us with many things. We have organized hackathons together. वहाँ पे भी Ashish भैया has guided us very well. And he has been a good mentor for us. And so yeah, thank you Ashish Da. He's a good mentor for everyone.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सारन, थैंक यू सो मच.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अभी के लिए हम लोग सोते, खाते, पीते, एंजॉय करते हैं, ठीक है. सो
Yes,
थैंक यू
yes.
सो मच सारन एंड
Thank you for having me.
ओके सारंस, ओके बाय सारंस,
Bye.
बाय
Bye.
बाय. तो बोलिए ना, प्लीज लाइक